Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today let us see how to make quick vegetable salad. First I am going to do the salad dressing. Add olive oil. Pepper. Salt to taste. Mix it well. Now add the lettuce. I use the salad spinner to dry the lettuce. Chop the lettuce and wash it thoroughly to remove the dirt. Spinner is operated by pushing down the pump, which helps the basket spinning. Push the pump once or twice depending upon the quantity of the lettuce. Once the spinning is over, there is a button. When pressed at the top of the spinner, it stops the spinner. And you can see the excess water collected in the bowl. Add carrot, tomatoes and cucumber. If you want to add more greens like spinach, kale, it's your wish. Mix it well. Add lemon juice. Quick and healthy salad is ready. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.